another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. Man, we in the mix of summer. It's hot. You know what? We're gonna make a drink even hot and sexier. We're gonna teach you how to make a Pink Senorita. Y'all ready to get into this recipe? Let's go. This recipe calls for tequila, agave, triple sec, and pink lemonade. Now we got our drink out the way. Let's make this bad boy. This recipe calls for an ounce of tequila, half ounce of agave, half ounce triple sec, and we're gonna fill the rest up pink lemonade. Now it's shaking time, my friend. Now we have our content shaking. We're just gonna transfer it to our glass. Now it's time to garnish. We're gonna garnish this recipe with a lemon wheel. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect Pink Senorita. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Till next week, stay true, my friends.